Barbie Fortesa update. Nasa post si Miss Tony Aviles and during endorsement shoot for close-up. Ito yung nakaraan, yung bago magkaroon ng fan meet ang bordo. Nagkasama niya si Miss Tony, Janra, Fatima at si Miss Dayan.
Congratulations! It's a wrap for close-up! Let's go!
If ever mag-GL, sinong dream maiden lady?
GL daw.
Oh my God! Alam mo, never ko na na-imagine yan I will only GL. Pero now that you brought it up, why not? Masaya yun ha?
Why not daw GL?
GL. Sino ba? Sinong bet niyo na girl for me? Oh my God! Sinong bet yung girl for me? Anong kape mo? What? Amerikano?
Kape Amerikano.
Raylene! Oh my God! Why not? Why not talaga? Bianca, Bombs, Juliet. So, yung mga kaibigan ko talaga. Hindi. Glyza. Ay, pwede si Madam Glyza. No? Pakahusay din yan. Sino ka? Maris Racal. Ay, gosh. Oo. Kylie Padilla. Ay, actually, no? Pretty. Why not? Oo. Good. Game ako dyan. And Curtis. Uy, grabe yung taas naman masyado yun. Pero, I love it. I would love to talaga. Bea Binene. Oo! Oo naman! Oh my God! Na-excite naman ako bigla sa
Yung birthday gift ni David K. Barbie.
Say that you deserve everything in this world. You work hard for everything talaga. So, I'm just really happy na you're in this stage of your life and nakita ko na ang dami mong ginagawang bago which I'm really proud of. So, ayan, keep up the good work. I mean, I'm sure you're going to be doing a good job, not even greater than good, you know. So, wish all the best in season.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard Reaction Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.